Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great, and as you all know, it's me Vasudha Mishra and I'm a 10th grader. So before moving ahead, let me tell you what's the time. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and today is 5th April 2022 and tomorrow is 6th April. So I have my exam tomorrow of science. But before moving ahead, let me tell you, my SST exam was on 4th, but I was unable to record the video. As you know, it's Navratri time and we have a lot of work at home. And in my home, I have a very special puja. We have special puja of 9 days. So I was unable to record the studies routine and all, and as you know, SST means it needs a lot of time to study, so that was also the reason I was unable to record. But yeah, I have recorded some of the clips, but that time that clips were very small, so it was not it will be very difficult to make a video of that, so that's why I was unable to record. So let it be. We'll see the science video, and for social science, if you want, please let me know in the comment section. I will bring a video that how to study for social science or how I study in SST, like what all things I do. So I'll show you that. But it's right now, it's 8 a.m. and I got up ready, means I have taken a bath. Now I'll do puja and all, and my morning prayer, that is my task. So I'll do that, and I think from 9 or 10 I'll start studying again. So I have done my most of the bio chapters because from yesterday I came from school. My SST exam was there, so I came from there and then I studied little bits of chapters of bio. So I did that. I only need a little bit of revision, so I'll do at last, or let's see. But before that, I'll do first chemistry and then physics and then bio. Yeah. So now I'm going to do chemistry, and before that I'm going to have my puja, breakfast and everything. So I'll meet you from 9 or 10. Let's see. So let's move ahead, but before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. So let's move ahead. And it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and I just got completed with all the stuff of chemistry, and it was really a fun, because from learning from NCERT, then revising those lessons from notes, it's really a great, means it's really very beneficial for us. So I did that and I just completed with my chemistry, and now my sister will come from school. I think from till 1:30 or 2 she'll come back, because at I think 1 p.m. she has her dispersal, so she'll come back till 1:30. So I'll have some talks with her, like what happened in school and everything, because she shares everything with me, like what all stuffs happened to her, means what all things they enjoyed and everything. So I'll have discussion of those things, and I'll also discuss my things, like how preparation was going off mine, like let's see. So let it be, and now I'm going to do that, and I'll have my lunch with her, means my family will have lunch, so we'll do that. And I think from 3 or 2 I'll start, 2 no, I don't think, 3 I think I'll start studying. Otherwise, if I took a nap, then it really means I'll sleep and I'll woke up at 4. So I think I'll take a nap also. So from 4 p.m. I'll start studying my physics, and let's see what all things I'm going to do. I'll not be able to share what all things I'm going to do, like means I'm having what lunch, but I'm thinking about it to add those clips also from next vlog. So let's see will I be able to do or not. So let's move ahead and let's see how I'm studying my physics.